Hello, this is another quick gardening tip from EVERBEE London Garden. How to chit seed potatoes. Chitting potatoes simply means to allow them to grow shoots prior to planting, which many gardeners believe will provide a bigger, earlier crop. It's not an essential task, but it doesn't do any harm either. You will need the following to chit seed potatoes: an empty egg box or similar container, and seed potatoes. And if you're intending to chit more than one variety of potato, don't forget to include a pen to label the egg box accordingly. To chit seed potatoes, all you need to do, place a potato shoot end up into an individual egg box cup. Ensure that the eyes are facing upwards. The close-up shows the eyes. This is the right way up. In this photo, the parcel of potato that is shown was attached to the plant and should be placed downwards into the cup. The seed potatoes should be placed in a cool, light area until 1 to 2 centimetre long shoots have formed. This can take between 2 and 4 weeks. Note, the indoor temperatures should be maintained between 45 degrees Fahrenheit, 7 degrees centigrade, to 60 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 degrees centigrade. Indirect light levels are best to form the ideal purplish dark green shoots. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye for now.